Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the sheet and confirming your account. This ensures edits go to the right drive. Once done, glance at the top center. You'll see Saving, while changes upload and then save to drive when finished. If you've just created the file, give it a descriptive name so version history is easier later. Make sure your internet is connected. Without it, Google queues changes locally until it reconnects and then syncs automatically. You now make your edits. Type, paste, adjust formulas, and format cells. Google Sheets autosaves almost instantly, so you don't press a save button. While you work, monitor the status indicator. Saving confirms upload in progress. Offline means changes are stored locally. Once connected, Sheets will sync them. If you need a restore point, use File Version History to name or restore versions. This preserves milestones and explains why labeling is helpful for collaboration. You finish by verifying the top status shows Save to Drive. That's your green light to close or share. If collaborators caused conflicting edits, open version history, compare timestamps, and restore the correct version or copy needed cells. This explains why version history prevents data loss. If saving fails repeatedly, try signing out and back in, clear browser cache, or use an incognito window to rule out extensions. These steps usually resolve stubborn sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.